we look at the 12,000-pound class, it's Harvey Cleveland out of Brownington, Vermont. 1966 Alex Thompson, 25-year competitor.
Thank you. Come back. It's $100 doing it.
Oh, it's like, it's a lot of money.
For what?
To go on the helicopter ride.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, once you're able to get your pilot license,
Take the time and fly.
This is for Danny Island with the pizza tractor, 289.2. They're calling that a full pull because in order to help you see, we move the starting point for these vehicles ahead a little bit, so they have a little less than the 300 feet, but they're calling that a full pull for Darren Patrick's tractor.
Yes, that could be.
As Jeff Johnson out of Gorham, Maine, with a tractor called Rat. On the V8 side, a 25-year competitor. This is another competitor that started off in some garden tractors when he was 6 or 7 years old and then graduated all up through. He ran snowmobile engine tractors, he ran industrial engine tractors. He and his dad and brothers had several vehicles. And now just runs this V8 here in the state of Maine.
It's a big motor. Put it up in the air.
Naturally operated small blocks, so what they're running. As we get ready for the 12,000-pound class, Harvey Cleveland, Brownington, Vermont, on the 12,000-pound side.
Nothing wrong. It's pretty good. Let me taste the bottom. See, the bottom tastes better.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, the flame in there.
It's not as good as the other one. Yeah, the bottom tastes better. Yeah, turbo it.
Yeah.
Here's the other guy.
Here we go.
Jeff Johnson. A lot was a little swirly on the track. He was able to use those individual brakes to control and steer that vehicle.
Oh, that guy's doing it again.
When the front end is on, you have no control unless you use your rear brakes. So he has individual brakes on those rear tires. Help control that.
That was awesome, the flame coming out of it.
A number of years ago, Jeff had a V8 tractor called the Super B that had a 12-volt Chevy rear end in it, and that tractor went all over the track. It was the swirliest tractor I've ever seen. And that kid kept that tractor right on the track 90% of the time. It was wonderful to watch. A little scary, I think, at times, but wonderful to watch. 285.14 for Jeff Johnson, which is a full pull, so we're going to have a pull-off in the V8 class. Danny Island, we need you back.
It's like the,
with Darren's tractor for the pull-off.
Yeah.
Danny Island, we need you back for a pull-off with Darren's tractor.
They'll drive over something like the size of this Grand
Oh,
Slam.
jeez.
The rule about pull-offs is that they are supposed to pull out in the order that they...
The guy in that thing's like,
They pull off in the order that they pulled out in. For example, in this particular class, Danny Ireland went out and got a full pull first, so Danny will be the first competitor to re-pull to see who will take the first place. And Jeff Johnson will be the second competitor to be pulled out second. That's how that's determined when there's more than one vehicle altogether.
Take that, Al Gore.
this winter to Europe. Usually the competitors go to Holland and they compete in their circuit over there for a short period of time. And all of those invites and sponsors are paid for by the European Tractor Pullers Association themselves or a sponsor they have. So it's kind of interesting.
It works.
It's just going along slow.
Gotta get some food. Oh, it's not expensive.
No, it's not.
Yes, we got to be crazy. Mom and Dad will. Yeah. They'll feel bad. If I bought light, I would like it. They'll feel bad. Yeah, if I don't get that.
Oh, like they'll be. They let you bought a lighter? I'm calling the police.
No, they won't care. They're like, you got light? Oh!
Let Holly use it.
Yeah. You get Holly one?
No, but...
Hardy Cleveland is distance 239.27. 239.27 for Hardy Cleveland in the 12,000 pound class. Next competitor in that class is Kevin Paul Sr. out of Levant, Maine. He's got 25 years of competition behind him. 1969 Minneapolis Moline.
Oh yeah, it's still pretty tight.
G900, I'm sorry.
My
G900
goal.
Minneapolis Moline.
My goal, and you go like this.
My
Okay, they're telling me that
real
they're
quick
not going to
wicket.
be pulling off the